Hello, I was gifted this dark spot cream from the seller to let you know how it works. It is full of vitamins. It has B5, CE, and hyaluronic acid in it. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it while I got you, and we'll take a look at it together. Comes in a nice bottle, has a nice lid. It does have a pump spray, so you'll have to prime that pump to get it to come out. This is for your hand. It is for face and body, so you can use it on your hands. If you have dark spots on your hands that you're not liking, it comes out white. It's nice and creamy, not sticky. It has a pleasant smell. It doesn't really have a smell at all, actually. So you can use this on your face, you can use this on your hands, on your body, anywhere you have dark spots. Sunspots is for aging. It does help with firmness and brightness. So you can, if you have dark circles under your eyes or sunspots from the sun or even liver spots, you can use it. It deeply hydrates. It also helps with uneven skin tone. So if you have a little redness going on, or anything like that, you can use this dark spot remover or this dark spot corrector also. Once again, it helps improves elasticity and firmness. So if you need something like that, I would definitely go ahead and check this out. Thanks.